So my name is Clément Feger, and I will be working with the University of Cambridge Conservation Research Institute, as well as with the Natural Capital Project of the UK. I've just finished my PhD on ecological accounting and on the role of private sector in ecological conservation, especially environmental sector companies. And while I was doing this work, we did some ecosystem services valuation and assessment work. And one thing we realized is that there is a huge gap between what we could call exploratory assessments of ecological issues and getting to action to actually maintain them. And one step we think is important to reduce this gap between science and policy or decision is to actually equip ourselves better with tools or questionnaires or ways of reasoning to analyze the contexts within which ecosystem services evaluation and assessments can be produced and used to actually create change. There are several steps in the placement. The first step is to really understand from a practitioner point of view how they are using different ecosystem services assessment tools such as TESA tool or INVEST tool, and what are the challenges they face when they try to actually make change with this tool or to influence decision with this tool. So the first step would be to make in-depth interviews with ecosystem services valuation practitioners. Another step would be to organize a workshop at the Natural Capital Symposium in Stanford in March with people who have been using ecosystem services assessment tools to have a collective discussion on these challenges and difficulties to actually create change through evaluation. After that, we're going to apply an analytical framework and analyze this material to hopefully produce an interesting report. I think we could say there would be three outcomes. The first one would be direct outcomes through the publication and diffusion of the report. The second outcome would be a first step to create a shared culture among ecosystem services assessment practitioners of context analysis. What kind of questions can we ask? What kind of different sets of values do we face when we arrive with an ecosystem services project? What kind of strategic problems we have to deal with? So a shared culture of these questions that can be discussed among different sets of ecosystem services evaluation users. And a third outcome that we expect is to lay the ground for the development of future guidance documents or MOOCs or simulation games that could be included into, for instance, INVEST training or TESA training.